Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muad Muhyiddin, Group 4. My topic is all about door frame and window frame. So, determining the optimal door frame dimensions. Standard door widths. The typical door panel with range is 60 to 100 centimeters, with anything wider than 1 meter considered a spatial design. Knowing the standard door sizes is the first step in estimating the required lumber for the frame. Jump and header lengths when ordering lumber for the door frame. So jump header length when ordering lumber for the door frame, you have two options: 18-foot length for each door, jump and header, or a combination of 7-foot and 10-foot pieces for the jumps and headers. The choice will depend on material availability and cost considerations. So, dalawa yung pagpipilian kung gusto mong magpagawa ng door frame. Isa yung 18-foot length. Doon na yung jump and header. Yung isa naman is combination ng 7-foot at saka 10-foot na jump at saka header. Classroom building example. So, ito yung example niya. In a 20 classroom building with 2 doors each, the door jumps are specified as 3 by 6. This information provides a clear starting point for determining the materials needed for the fabrication of the door frames. Estimating the lumber requirements. Number 1. Option A, single length jumps. When ordering lumber for the door frame, the estimator can choose to use a single 18-foot length for each jump. This results in a total jump length of 14.5 feet and a header length of 3.5 feet. The total order would be 40 pieces of 3 by 6 by 18 lumber, equaling 1080 board feet. So number 2 option B, combination of jumps and heaters alternatively. The estimator can opt for a combination of 7-foot and 10-foot pieces for the jumps and heaters. This would require 10 pieces of 3 by 6 by 14 lumber for the headers and 40 pieces of 3 by 6 by 16 lumber for the jumps, totaling of 1,170 board feet. Comparing the two options. While the second option results in a slightly higher material requirement, it may be the more practical choice if longer lumber lengths are scarce in the local market. Additionally, the price of lumber can vary based on length, with longer pieces typically costing more. Estimating materials for window frames. Frame components in addition to door frames. Estimating the materials for window frames involves considering the various components such as jumps, seals, headers, transoms, and mullions. Each of these elements must be carefully measured and accounted for to ensure a complete and functional window frame. Low-cost housing project. Example, in a low-cost housing project requiring 50 window frames, the estimator would need to calculate the length of the chams, headers, seals, and mullions, and then order the appropriate quantities of 2 by 6 and 2 by 4 lumber to fabricate the frames. Detailed material list for example, window frames. The required materials would include 50 pieces of 2 by 6 by 12 lumber for the chums and 50 pieces of 2 by 6 by 16 lumber for the headers and seals and 50 pieces of 2 by 4 and 2 by 4 by 10 lumber for the mullions, totaling approximately of 1,400 board feet. That's all. Thank you. Shukran. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.